In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Substack. If you're looking to enhance your posts with engaging video content, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step, providing helpful tips along the way to ensure a smooth, easy-to-follow process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Substack account. If you're already familiar with Substack, this step should be straightforward. But if you're new, simply head over to the Substack website and use your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your account and access your existing posts. Next, you'll need to decide whether you're creating a new post or editing an existing one. You can do this from the dashboard's interface. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new post. Otherwise, locate the post you want to edit. If you're editing, you'll find a small icon with 3 dots typically located at the top right corner of your post window. Click on these dots to bring up a menu, and then you'll select the Edit Post option. This will bring you into the editing mode of your post where you can begin configuring your video content. Now, in the editing mode, you will see several options to insert different types of content. Look for the video option among them. Selecting this will allow you to insert a video into your post. When you click on video, the Substack platform will prompt you to upload a video file. The recommended formats for uploading video files to Substack are MP4 or MOV, as these are widely compatible and maintain good quality. Before you upload, ensure that your video complies with the platform's guidelines and is adequately edited for your audience. Once you have your file ready, go ahead and upload it. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this may take a bit of time. Be patient and allow the upload process to complete. After the upload is finished, you'll be presented with an insert option. Simply click to embed the video into your post. With your video now part of your content, it's time to get your post in front of your audience. You have 2 options here. You can either publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date that fits your strategy best. Both of these options will be available once you have your video inserted. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Substack. By incorporating video into your posts, you're not only enhancing the value of your content, but also engaging your audience more profoundly. Keep experimenting with different types of content to find what resonates most with your readers. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy posting!